Yo, what's up? How we doing? So, today, today is a great day. As you can see, it's a fucking green day today. So, today we took just one trade on London session, at the start of London session open, market open. We ended up making 320 bucks. This is the trade, was a continuation trade, to the downside. And let's get into it. So, as you can see, this is the trade, and let me say this. In my head, I was kind of sure that price want to revisit Tuesday low. Pretty sure, but I had to go work, and so I said like, okay, contract size was 3, so I scaled one, I think, uh, here, more or less, I think, yeah, one contract here and two left for runners. So let's talk about high time frame narrative, how I ended up taking this trade, and yeah. So as you can see, on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, we were Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, see, yeah, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So Monday set the range, right? Monday set the range, and I was pretty sure Monday was the weekly low, but looking at the daily profile right now, I don't think Monday will stay the weekly low. I'm not sure, but we have to wait for more price action and let price tell us more about what he wanna do, right? So as soon as I entered the session, right, I logged on my trading view. We were at this time more or less right here. Let me go in a 15 minute and see. Yeah, more or less we were here. I think a little bit later. Like I tuned in 8 a.m. So yeah, more or less in this area here. And I was looking to take a trade to the downside, right? So and first of all, oh wait, hold on. So why I was looking to go to the downside? So basically during Asia session we did barely nothing. We set the first high here, then we dropped, and as soon as we drop, we come up again, taking out the internal high here. And the reason why I was looking short on this one was because, like, okay, ideally I will have and I would like to have this zone here retested, right? Because it was a 50% of the previous trading leg, but at this time I was seeing too much displacement, right? I was seeing too much displacement on this leg for us to sweep again here, going higher, continue lower. So I said like, okay, let me check if price is telling me it wanna go lower now. So what I did was going in 15 minute, and on the no, it was a 5 minute. I don't remember. Yeah, 5 minute we have this internal high. On the 15 minute we have this. Sorry, we have this change in state of delivery. Right, it was a little bit lower. Was here, but that's okay. It's not a problem. Um, so seeing this, I would say like, okay, price could go lower from here. Could. What I want to see, I want to see a mid or high time frame PD array get hit and respected. And for this trade, I used this 15-minute order block here, the blue box, right? So scaling in, I was looking to take something here, like rebalance of the price and then go lower, but instead we ended up creating this nothing to the upside because this was the previous candle range, right? This one here was the candle that set the range higher, and to the downside we were creating sell side liquidity and low resistance sell side liquidity, right? So let's go in 1 minute so it's more clear. We were generating this low resistance liquidity to the downside. So what I did was waiting for price to tell me, yeah, I want to go lower. Well, what happened was we set this SMT just right at open. London opened here with this straight push higher, then we have a retrace inside here. As soon as we came up inside this again, inside this 15-minute order block, taking out internal liquidity here, so manipulating price higher to go lower, and set an SMT here. Yes, took this high and Nasdaq didn't. I said like, okay, the setup is forming. It looks like we want to go lower from here, so let's see if price confirms it. So in two candle, so perfect displacement, 25 points, two candles. So for me, it was a perfect displacement. What we did was inversing this 1 minute bullish gap here and confirming the CSD. So as soon as I saw this, what I did was entering over here 3 contracts, stop loss above this high, and then as soon as we were more or less before hitting the break-even area, I set my break-even, my stop loss at this candle high, and then here we set break-even, stop loss at break-even, and then the rest is story. I had a hard time in this zone here, not gonna lie, because price was accumulating, and then drop. So that's okay. That's okay. It's the price you have to pay if you want to make money on trading. So that's okay. Then the other things, as I was saying before, my original idea while I was inside this trading was to take it to this low, so Tuesday low, right? But I had to go work, so I said like I can't manage the trade, I can't reduce my stop loss uh, once at a time. So I said like, okay, let's go for like certain amount of profit of points and whatever you want to call it. So yeah, this was the trade that I took today. I think it's a beautiful trade. It would have been a fucking plus setup if we hit this here, this what the 50% mark, but that's okay. A win is a win. I was risking here to get break even on this trade, you see, because I set my break even to this low here. This was my break even. Like my stop loss set at break even was here, so I risked for like 1 pips, yeah, 2 pips. Oh, for 2 points here. So pretty risky, but you know, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Then New York AM was like, it was shit for me. I was looking for take a sell here, but we had no SMT. This 50-point wick here didn't manage to sweep this, and on ES was an equal high. So it's like, okay, I don't want to take it. Nothing. I don't want to risk any money on the table. But if I can say today we moved, I think 500 points, and we're still dumping to Monday low. So I'm pretty sure we are not gonna save Monday low as a weekly low. Okay, so yeah, today was a pretty good day. As you can see, we are in a clear downtrend here. Hope the war and this shit could go better, because I have some investments on ETF and I'm currently down hell money, so I hope this shit flips sometimes, and I think as soon as possible. And yeah, pretty nice day, if I can say. I'm pretty happy. I think I need like $35 to take my account back to break even. Yeah, $35 to take my account back to break even. Uh, those two were really bad week. Not gonna lie, I wasn't trading with the right mindset, so it feels good to almost be back. Okay, feels good. So thank you so much, guys. Hope to see. I don't think to trade tomorrow because I'm out office for work, so I don't think to trade tomorrow. So I'm probably gonna end here the week with $500 profit, and yeah. Hope you like my content. Thank you so much, you in the future, for believing in yourself, for real trusting the process, and don't let no one listen and judge or whatever the fuck you want to do. Okay? Thank you so much, Sans. Thank you so much.